Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you about one of the most important poison, that is mercury. I will discuss some important points like its group, subgroup, class, fatal period, fatal dose, active principle, its main sign and symptoms, both acutely and chronically, with which the patient presents in the medical department, its medical legal importance, and finally its treatment. Now, what basically the mercury is? It is basically an irritant poison, but of the metallic nature, but it's a liquid in nature. Um, you have noticed that all the metals in nature are solid, but mercury is a liquid in nature. That's important point about mercury. And its fatal dose is 1 to 2 gram. Fatal period is about a half day. It is its active principle is include many salts such as the chloride salt and the oxide salts of the mercury. If a person has taken mercury, which is combined with other compounds like chloride or the oxygen radicals, then these compounds will be responsible for the signs and symptoms occurring in the body. Main sign and symptoms with which the patient presents, or the if we see the patient who is acutely poisoned by mercury, the main sign and symptoms are metallic taste, excessive salivation, choking, dysphagia, corrosion of the mucous membrane of the mouth, and there is a grayish white patches on the mucous membrane which are easily seen with the naked eye. It Patient also presents with vomiting, which results in a dehydration of the body. There are bloody stools, which will results in the loss of HP and RBCs from the body, resulting in a severe anemia of the body. Albuminuria means that there is loss of albumin in the urine. Hematuria means that there is loss of blood through the urine. Oliguria, patient presents with uremia, means that there are nitrogens compound in the blood. The BUN ratio of the blood is also increased. Convulsions can also be seen, and finally there is coma, and then there is death of the patient. If a person who is chronically poisoned by mercury presents in the medical department, the main sign and symptoms are blue-black lines on the gums. These lines appear in approximately 72 hours. There are also ulcers which are penetrating deep into the body layers. Uremia may also be noticed. Mercurial lent is the very important feature of the chronic poisoning of the mercury. It is basically the deposition of mercuric compound in the lens of the eyes, hence disturbing the vision of a patient. One of the most important sign is the head shake, um, in which there is excessive tremors of the hands and body. And there is one last important sign, that is erythema. Erythema means there is a high grade of erythema means that there is high degree of disturbance of the personality of a patient. The person responds in inappropriate ways, and he doesn't care about his expressions, his actions, etc. Now, finally, uh, the medical legal importance. Mercury can be fatal in accidental form. It may also be used as abortifacient. It may also be used as a suicidal purpose. Finally, the treatment. Treatment includes emetics. We can also perform gastric lavage or the stomach wash with magnesium carbonate or sodium formaldehyde sulfoxylate in about 250 ml, 5% and 100 ml to be left in the stomach. We can also give egg white or the demulcents to stop the absorption of mercury from the GIT. Activated charcoal can also be given orally. It will prove very efficient in this condition. Magnesium sulfate can also be given ball in amount of 200 mg twice daily. Intramuscularly can also be given. Then there is sodium thiosulfate intravenously can also be given. Penicillamine orally also given as an antidote to the mercury. Alkaline fluids are given in order to eliminate mercury from the body as soon as possible. As now we must have to remember one point about mercury, that it is very 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 highly nephrotoxic. Whenever a patient whenever a person takes mercury for suicidal purpose, or he or she is accidentally exposed to mercury, the very first organ which is damaged is the kidney. There is a sudden renal shutdown. There is loss of glomeruli of the kidney. Tubules become non-functional. So there is oliguria. For treating this, we have to perform dialysis. Dialysis is the only final treatment to reverse this condition. But if the person is chronically exposed to mercury, dialysis will be performed, but it will not be 100%, but there is not 100% chance of survivance of the patient. Now you have any question, simply comment it down. I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you.